Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Going to go over our Forex trades for today, January 2nd, the first trading day of 2014. Hope everybody had a great new year, had a lot of fun, and we look forward to a healthy and profitable new year. Let's go over a couple trades. We just had two trades this morning. There was some initial jobless claims came out at 8:30. We avoided that number, and then it was pretty much free trading until say 10 o'clock. So we did get two trades. Really nice way to start the month off. Pulled out 35.6 pips, mostly in one trade, which you're looking at right here. We'll start with that. We were short pound a dollar, 1.64607. Went right in our favor right off the bat. There was really no resistance, no support to speak of. If you look back on the chart, you can make an argument that's supported that maybe you make an argument that says maybe there's some support at this right around the level where we got out, and that's pretty much why we got out. It has since then pretty much holding that level. It's trying to hold there, but the bounce has been very weak off of that level, so she could go. She might start to move lower. I don't know, but really happy with that trade, pulling out 28.8 pips. And the second trade was a long in the Australian dollar to U.S. dollar. Similar, but nowhere near as strong. We went long 0.89190, as you see there. We were actually down in this about maybe about 12 pips, but we were up to 28. We were going to give it, 15, 16, 17 pips. From down 12, it just completely started to reverse, got to flat, and then started to go positive for us. And it was moving pretty quickly. And it's in a whole level area here that you can say is going to be resistance. We were kind of hoping to see if it could move up to this level, the 0.8950 level, which you see it tried, but it failed. It stopped around 40, 41, 42 level, and we ended up just getting out, picking up 6.8 pips. More of a typical type trade for us. This one didn't have a lot of volume to come in to push it, where the Australian dollar, US dollar short had a ton of volume that came in and pushed it right down. So, we're not complaining. We'll take it, especially since we were down 12, 13 pips, whatever, 14 pips right off the bat, about 12 pips. So we'll take it, and we'll move on to tomorrow. We'll start the year off on a really positive note. It was nice to see. It was a good surprise for us today. As far as long-term or swing trades, whatever you want to call them, we haven't had any yet this morning. Still waiting on that. The algorithms kicking in. I don't know if there were any on Christmas. On New Year's Eve. I'm not remembering offhand. Let me take a quick look. No, nothing on New Year's Eve. New Year's Eve was really, really dead, and obviously nothing on New Year's Day. So we'll move on till tomorrow, and we'll see what we get. All right. So if we get some action, obviously we'll do a video as we normally do. If not, we'll be back on the next day where we get some trades. All right. If you're trading now, good luck. If we get any swing trades, we'll be letting you guys know. The ones that are following that, you'll receive the alert on the Glide app, which goes over iPhone, iPads, and any Android device. So that's it. Good luck, and we'll be back.